If you ask me, you never will find a place more beautiful or serene than this place. And that's my stuff. My hiking stuff. And in there, behind the trees, there is this lot. It's private. But this beach, the rest of the beach, is totally all access almost. Oh, the only bad thing about swimming at this time of day is all the mosquitoes. And if you're standing still long enough, sometimes the fishes will come almost biting your feet.